All right, the Jasper County Sheriff's Office hosted their annual Community Safety Day today after they had to cancel last year due to the pandemic. KOM's Chris Warner explains what made this year extra special.
The Jasper County Sheriff's Office got the community together after spending a long time apart.
Well, it's great to be back. We enjoy putting this on for the community. We were saddened actually that we couldn't do this last year, so we're super excited to be back this year.
Sheriff RANDEE KAISER knows it's been a tumultuous year for law enforcement, making this year's Community Day more important.
I think it's always important for the law enforcement agencies to have a good working relationship with the communities. One of the ways that we can do that is to spend time with them, to build relationships.
And according to the kids in attendance, they did a good job building those relationships.
Kind of nice. I really do like it. It's very fun. I like the bounce house. I did check out the big SWAT van. That thing is humongous. It was humongous.
HOYT Boyd's brother, Wyatt, found the sheriff's car interesting.
It was fun. I like how they cage it off and stuff so they can't get out.
For HOYT, Saturday's Community Day left a lasting impression.
And I think I might want to actually change my future job into being a cop. I know it might be a little dangerous, but hey, it's all about protecting your city or your country or your state.
GABE MERCER has a special connection with the department. Even though he's only 12, he's a wanted man playing a suspect in the SWAT team demo.
Basically just sit in the car, and they do is they throw a flashbang and drop out of the car, and they like they would a bad guy, and they can't behind your back and handcuff you.
Well, they're very fun. I do like it here. They are very nice, and I do respect that. 10 out of 10 respect.
In Carthage, Chris Warner, KOAM News.